In this video, I want to talk about the key guiding principle to generate a life of happiness and getting paid well and creating that life of freedom that you're going to enjoy, reducing your stress. It's something that I wish I knew when I was younger. I wish I had this message when I was 20 years old. I'm 35 years old now. And by the way, I'm in Portugal right now. I got the nice windmills behind me. It's a good analogy actually for what I'm going to talk about, which is essentially just focusing on your passions and focusing on what you love, because you are irreplaceable. You cannot be replaced by AI or any other human out there. And that is so important to harness, because if you love something, you're going to be good at it. And if you're good at it, people will pay you money for it. And in today's world, there's so much competition, but there's also so much opportunity. No matter what you're into, whether it's about cars or makeup and cosmetics, maybe it's about video games or sports or even construction, building, software engineering. There's an angle to make money in so many different industries. So if you focus on what you love and what you're passionate about, you're going to be good at it and make good money in that area. And it's not going to feel so much like work. And that's something that's interesting, because a lot of people on the internet are talking about how to get rich without really working, like this, all these schemes and whatever. And I think work is actually an important part of life to be happy. It makes us appreciate our time off in the evenings or on the weekends. And it's an important thing to feel like we're being productive with our lives. And a lot of people who don't work at all actually feel depressed and unfulfilled. So it's not about not working, but it's about the key to working and enjoying what you do. And this is coming from someone who saved up, copious amounts of money in the past. And I took a year, 2 years off to go travel and live in a van and go surfing every day. And by the end of those 1 or 2 years, to be honest, I wasn't even that happy. I felt kind of empty, like I needed to do something productive. And I wanted to work. I was craving work and working with other people, doing things that I was passionate about. And so that's not really the answer, to just not work at all. It's about doing something you love and being irreplaceable. And how you do that is being your human self and pursuing the path of least resistance, and not doing what your family or friends think or what society thinks is like a good job that will get you rich. Ignore all that crap. Just, excuse my language, but just focus on what you love. And you're going to be good at it, and you'll make money, and the happiness and everything will just be there for you as well. And I've veered so much from that in the last 15 years and tried things that I thought would just, make me rich or make me money. And I failed every time because I wasn't passionate or super happy about it. And every time I focused on something that I really loved doing, money just kind of started falling into my lap and job offers fell towards me. So whatever you love, there's always a way to make money about it. And that's really what this message is about. Don't be scared to just be you. Live your best life, chase what you love. I know it sounds cheesy, but I think that's the guiding compass principle to creating a happy life for yourself. Of course, there's ways of being kind of business savvy and generating passive income is great. But this is on a more basic level, just trying to figure out what job or what business you should start, whether it's working for someone else or working for yourself. It's always a good idea to start with an area that you're excited about, because then you're going to have fun and it's going to keep you interested for a long time, and you're going to develop skills and industry knowledge, and that's just going to propel you forward in life. So I hope you found this little message from Portugal. Oh, and the windmills, by the way, great analogy, because they are just generating energy on their own, somewhat effortlessly from the wind. Imagine the wind is like your natural skill, your natural interest, your passion, and the wind is just blowing into the windmill. And the windmill is just generating power and electricity for this village. And that could be like your bank account, right? And the wind is your passion. And it's just effortless. It's easy for you. And so that's what you should definitely focus on. Kind of a rough analogy, but you get the point. And if you want to chat about it in the comments, feel free to leave me a message. And otherwise, I will see you guys in the next video. All right. Ciao.